Class management is where you can manage information about your classes and your students. Let's take a look at how to create a new class and work with student information. To access, select Class Management on the main menu. The information for your current class appears by default. It contains information about the students in that class. To create a new class, select the Create Class button. On the Create Class pop-up, enter the new class name as it will appear in your class drop-down list. Select the checkbox if you are using simplified login for this class, and choose an icon to identify the class. Then select Save. The new class now appears on the Class Management page, and the name of the class appears in your class drop-down list. Select the Edit Class button to edit the class name or change the class icon. Select the Delete Class button to remove the class. To add students to your class, select the plus button on the Students tab. You will first search for students to add to your new class. You can select students from an existing class, by specific content, by grade level, or enter a specific student's name. Select Search for Students. From the search results, select students for your class by selecting the checkbox next to each student's name. Select the checkbox at the top to select all the students in the current results. Select Add Students to save selected students to the class. Students are displayed with their usernames. Each of your students is given a password to use when they first log in. To view a student's password, select View. To print, select Print Password Card on the pop-up. Select the View Class Code button. Give this code to your students so they can join this class and add it to their class's page. Select the Print button on the Students tab to create a printable PDF file listing all your students and their passwords. Edit a student's details by selecting the student's username. You can make changes to the student's name, username, password, or grade level. Select Save to save your changes. To remove a student from the class, select the X or Remove Student button. Select Remove to confirm. To create student groups within the selected class, select the Add Group button on the Groups tab. On the Create Group pop-up, enter the name of the new group. Indicate the teaching level, or if this is an English learner group. Select Students by selecting the checkbox next to each student's name. Select Save. Expand the group to see which students belong to it. All the groups a student belongs to are indicated in his or her student details in the Groups field. Select the Edit Group button to make changes to a group or add new students. Select the Remove Group button to remove the group. Select Delete to confirm. This concludes our guide to class management. Be sure to refer to other help materials for more information about the Open Court Reading Program.